Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JLab Blue XL speaker headphones. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $100. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white.
calm down. Okay, JLab Blue XL speaker headphones. Now, like I said, you can pick these up for $100. Now, let me give y'all a quick backstory behind these. I never heard of these. I didn't know they existed. And a couple of days ago, somebody sent me these on Instagram and asked me to check them out. So here we are. So let's go to the website real quick. Now, you can pick these up from JLab.com. These are the Blue XL speaker headphones. Now, look at the size of these, okay? These are giant speaker headphones. Let's go through the specs. Now, for audio, 30 watts RMS output, okay, on a 2.0 channel system. Now, for the drivers, you got two 2.5 dynamic drivers and two 2.5 passive radiators. The battery life is 20 hours. You got a 10 watt fast charge via USB Type-C, so it takes 3 hours to fully charge these up. You got Bluetooth version 5.4, and the codecs is SBC and AAC. And you got the JLab app to change your EQ settings. All right, so all of that for $100. Now, it comes in a big, giant box, so let's see what it is. All right, let's grab a little unboxing knife. What we got today? Protect. All right, shoes. Shoes trying to get a free haircut. Hold up. One more. Okay. Now, look at this big, giant box. Okay. Now, y'all got to see this. Now, I purposely got these just for trolling factors, but let's see if they actually sound good. Okay. Here's how they're going to look when you take them out of the box. Look at this. Look at the size of these. Hold up. Okay. Check this out. Now, let me move this out the way. Hold up. Look at this. Now, how cool is this going to look? Wow, these are super heavy. How cool is this going to look on your table? Look at this. Now, let me see if there's anything else in the box. That's pretty much it. No plug, no cable. Nope, that's it. Okay, check this out. Now, just for size comparison, let me grab a set of regular headphones. This is a set of regular headphones, okay? These are my B&O H100s. Look at the difference in the size of these. Okay, these are giant, oversized headphone speakers. Now, let's see. Now, the weight is definitely a little bit heavy on these. Actually has soft air cups. Wow, look at that. Really soft air cups. Let's do the Easter Island test. Oh, look at this. Now, you can wear these around your neck, or you could go crazy and wear them on your head. I'll try them on my head and see how they sound. But these are going to be your controls right here. Okay. Power on for 3 seconds, Bluetooth 8 seconds, and volume knob. Okay. On the other side, you got USB Type-C charging, little LED, and that's pretty much it. Okay. It does have actual left and right on the inside. This is kind of crazy. Let's see. Do they? Okay, they lay flat like this, so you can lay them on your table like this. Hang them somewhere. Now, am I gonna walk around and wear these in the airport? Yes. Okay, I got these specifically for trolling. All right, so let me grab a phone, we'll pair these up, and then we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, here's where the video takes a turn. These are a big, giant set of speaker headphones, but they're also a big piece of shit. Okay, now look, a lot of people ask me, why did I stop reviewing JLab products? This is why. This is why I stopped reviewing JLab products. A lot of their products are pieces of shit, and this is one of them. Now, I just dropped $100 on these, took them out of the box, no book, no charger, no nothing, and look at this. You see the LED right there? You plug them in, and look at that. They don't even charge. They won't turn on, they don't charge, they don't do nothing. Now I tried a whole bunch of different chargers, a bunch of different outlets, and look at this. I'm gonna unplug this, grab my phone. As you can see, the charger works perfectly fine. 100 watt fast charging brick plugged right into the wall. Plug them in, nothing. Hold down the power button, Nothing. Not to mention, it's one of these stickers that when you try to peel the sticker off, the sticker rips. This right here, man, this is a cool idea, okay? And it would have looked nice on the table. You could probably set them up like this. You know, just let them stand up like this. You know, set them up some kind of way and play them on your table. You can actually wear them around your neck, you know, just for a little goofy, you know, little kind of goofy fun. But they don't work. Okay, so let me tell y'all right now. Now, look, I know that with tech products, there's always a chance that you're going to get a lemon. But when you're buying JLab products, that chance is fucking high, okay? When you're buying JLab products, there's a good chance you're going to get a lemon, and here we go again. Now, this is not my first JLab lemon. Let me calm down. Now, let me try to calm down. I'm about to rage. But I can't stand this kind of fucking bullshit. You spend $100, you're sitting around stalking a FedEx truck, okay? You already made a space in your desk to put these at. You know, you're already planning on trolling a bunch of people with these. And these fucking shits won't even turn on. This is the definition right here of pure garbage. JLab, y'all gotta do better. Okay, y'all gotta do better. Y'all gotta get some fucking quality control with your company. Cause shit like this is annoying. This is very annoying, and this is the type of shit that makes people not want to buy your products. And again, I reviewed a bunch of JLab products in the past, and a lot of times they'll work for a couple of days and then stop working. Now you gotta put them back in the box, you gotta ship them back, all worried about the warranty and try to get a refund. No. This right here, like I said, you know, it's a cool idea, but look at this. Now, the speaker's already coming off from the side. Now, this is some cheap bullshit right here. Whoever sent me these on Instagram, look, I tell y'all, at least once a month, I try to do a special request video. I just did the IEMs the other day, the bass ones. Those is a win, okay? A lot of special request videos I do, they turn out to be a win. This is an L right here. This is an L. Now, am I gonna send these back or just keep them for decoration? No, I'm sending these back. I gotta send these back just for the principle, because this is some Mickey Mouse bullshit right here. I can't stand shit like this. Fucking JLab. Y'all got me again, man. Fucking JLab. Anyway, like I said, man, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these pieces of shit. But if you're gonna buy these, and you just want the look, okay, cool. Maybe these will look dope. Hang them up on the wall, some big giant headphones. But if you're buying them for the speaker, be wary, okay? Be wary, because you might just get a set just like this that you can't even charge up. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. JLab, come on, man. Y'all gotta do better. Y'all gotta do better than this fucking bullshit right here. Oh, and one more thing. Before y'all say anything in the comments, I edit these videos. So I've been down here playing with these for about 2 hours already. Okay, now, first I said, okay, let me just let them charge up for about 45 minutes and see maybe they had a completely dead battery. Nothing. I went on YouTube, I went on Reddit, I went to see if anybody else had the same issue, and of course, with JLab, a lot of people have the issue where they buy them and they just broke right out of the box. Okay, so again, if you're buying JLab products, just be wary. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. Don't meet boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy, man. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Captain, Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.